Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to walk you through this AI website called Slidesgo. So Slidesgo is a website that provides many presentation templates. Think of them as a ready-made design for your slide. Like a school project or work, you can use them to make a PowerPoint and a Google slide. They have a tons of Google slide as a Slidesgo template to pick from. Some even use an AI to help you make a cool design. So if you need a PowerPoint template or even to make an AI presentation, Slidesgo is there for you. It helps you make a nice looking slide fast. You don't need to be an expert. So talking about the key features about this platform come with a wide different of features. So one of the features that makes it stand out compared to others is the AI presentation maker, together with the AI PDF to PPT converter, together with a free slideshow maker and in educational materials for teachers and an infographic template. Talking about the pricing plan, they offer free pricing plan, which is super cool. You have the free plan, the premium plan, and the enterprise plan, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this their website. Thanks.